If you're a young guy that wants to be an entrepreneur, a businessman, or you want to focus on your career so you can make more money and become incredibly successful, then guys, I highly recommend at some stage you go out and make the effort to learn cold approach, so that way you can go out and get yourself a high quality girlfriend as fast as humanly possible. Now, if you are genuinely the type of guy that wants to focus on entrepreneurship, starting a business, or you want to focus on your career, and that's genuinely something you want to focus on right now, then I'm recommending that you start to learn how to have singular focus. And that's why I'm emphasizing in this video, to have singular focus and have the success that you want financially, you're going to have to get yourself a long-term girlfriend, or at least minimum a quality girl that's going to stand by your side and support you on that journey. Now, let me explain to you why. When you're single and not in a relationship, life is the definition of distractions. There's two types of guys. There's guy one, and then there's also guy two. Let's break down guy number one. Guy number one is a guy that doesn't have a huge amount of success in his dating life. He's a bit more shy, reserved, anxious, introverted, and has no skill set to go and bring someone into their life. And he's never really had that many dating experiences overall. Now, what happens with that guy is if he says to himself, I now want to just 100% focus on my career or my business, the problem's gonna be this. He can never have 100% singular focus because in the back of his mind, he's still going to feel lonely. He's gonna feel like he's missed out on a part of his life. He's gonna feel like he's not getting the intimacy or the connection that he desires. And in the back of his mind, he's gonna be like, well, I wanna make the money, but I also want someone special in my life. And then because of that, he's never gonna be 100% all in on his career because he's going to need to set a little bit of time trying to figure out the whole dating thing. And as we know, when it comes to dating or improving your confidence or your charisma or your social skills, this can take time. And again, it's incredibly distracting. Then we have guy number two. Guy number two is the complete opposite to guy number one. Guy number two has gone out there, has done the whole cold approach thing, has learned how to have a huge amount of dating abundance, and he has a lot of different options. But the problem with this guy is because he has so many options, he usually will date 1, 2, 3, if not 4 girls at the same time, because he can. And then this then brings in a whole new set of problems. Because if you have a date with Susie on Monday, Sarah on Wednesday, Tracy on Saturday, and then you got another girl that you're gonna go on a date with that you met from a few weeks ago that you approached on the street, that's like 3 girls you're seeing, plus a girl you got a date with. It's like, dude, it is the definition of distractions. And then also on top of that, when you have that level of abundance, I'm promising you now, like these girls are pretty high maintenance. You need to text them all the time to keep them around. You need to call them every now and then. You need to take them out for dinners. You need to give them constant attention. If you want to maintain that type of lifestyle and also simultaneously focus on your career or your business, you're not going to have the singular focus that you need to prioritize number one, which is your dating life, or prioritize number two, which is your business. And you have to figure out which is more important to you. And right now we're talking all about prioritizing financial success. So again, guy number one and guy number two are equally distracted. And that's why I'm recommending that if you are guy number one and you haven't yet achieved dating abundance and you don't have dating choice for yourself, then what I recommend is before you even try to explore entrepreneurship or try to improve your financial situation at a really high level where you have singular focus, don't. Sit down for the next 3, 6, or 12 months and get the whole dating thing sorted. Figure it out, find yourself a quality girlfriend, bring her into your life, then focus on your career, then focus on business. And then for guy number two, I just recommend like, all right, boys, like get it out of your system, do the whole pickup thing, enjoy the abundance, enjoy casual dating. But once it's out of your system, guys, and you're 100% ready to commit to your financial success moving forward into the future, guys, just pick your favorite girl, take a step back, have her by your side, have her support you, drop the playboy lifestyle, and then get singular focused on your career and your business and entrepreneurship. Enjoy that girl's company and just focus on that one particular thing. Singular focus is the key to success. Now, one of the really cool things about getting yourself in a long-term relationship with a girl that you can start to develop a stronger emotional connection with is that you can put that singular focus on steroids with emotional leverage. And let me explain why. The deeper the connection that you build with a girl, the more that you'll notice as a man you want to protect and you want to provide. And the more that you like this girl and you start to think about the future with her, the idea of potentially getting married and having kids starts to come in the picture. And you probably have a picture of what your ideal life will look like. The types of houses that you want to own, the types of cars you want to drive, the types of lifestyle you want to be able to give your family. And you probably have pretty high expectations for yourself. And now if you have even more pressure because you're now in a long-term relationship, you're not only looking after yourself, you're looking after someone in which you potentially either love now or could love in the future, or you see a future with. Now it puts that emotional leverage on steroids. And now every single time you get lazy or you get complacent, or the money that you are currently making you want to spend on holidays or different materialistic things that maybe you want to purchase, or just different things that come up as a distraction in your life financially, you no longer want to prioritize those things because you have a goal for the future for you and your girl. And that's one of the coolest things about being in that relationship. That singular focus, man, gets so strong. There's no longer any more distractions, and you can just really truly reach your full potential, because not only are you fighting for your financial future, you're now fighting for your financial future for your girl and your potential future family. And I think that's always been such a cool thing about being in a relationship, is it makes you want to be the best version of yourself. And the other thing to be mindful of as well is if you have learnt the right dating skills, most likely you've picked a girl out of a place of abundance, and you've picked a good girl with good characteristics, good value systems, and is most likely going to support you really well over the long run, then she's going to make a really good teammate. She's going to be your best friend, and she's going to look after you while she focuses on business and your career. Because some days, guys, like when you're heavily focused on entrepreneurship, you're trying to look after your financial freedom and your financial future, some days you're going to feel demotivated. Some days you're going to be stressed. Some days you're going to be depressed. Some days you're going to feel like giving up. And the cool thing about having a dope partner in your life is they can support you through the ups and downs of the emotional roller coaster in which entrepreneurship is. Or even if it's just like business or your career, there's always going to be ups and downs in anything that you do. And if you have a good girl that's by your side, then sometimes she can come give you a massage. She can talk to you when you're stressed. She can bring you a cup of coffee in the morning. She can make you dinner. Or sometimes if you had a really big day, she can come clean up the house or just look after you, nurture you, help you feel fulfilled emotionally and sexually, make you feel attractive, and just re-inspire you and reinvigorate you and re-energize you to get back on that horse, to not give up, to stay motivated, have that singular focus, and achieve the goals that you want to achieve. And that only happens if you find yourself a quality partner. And that's why it's so important at some stage in your life, in your early development, learn the right social skills, learn how to screen women out for attractive qualities. And when you do bring a good quality partner into your life, it's going to be an asset to your life. She's your best friend, she's your teammate, and she's there to help you become the best version of yourself. So never forget that. Never forget that your partners are most likely moving forward into the future. When you start having kids and you start a family, you're going to need someone by your side that's going to look after you. So that's another massive benefit to being in a long-term relationship, or having a quality girl by your side. And you get a teammate, and again, it's going to double down on that singular focus and give you a way higher likelihood of becoming truly successful. Now, if you hear everything that I'm saying and you really like the idea of actually bringing a high quality girlfriend into your life, but maybe you're like guy number one that I talked about previously, that maybe is a little bit more shy, you're a bit more introverted, you haven't had a huge amount of success with women yet, and you really do want to focus on your career right now, you want to focus on business, you want to focus on entrepreneurship, you want to get rich, and that's the biggest priority in your life right now, then what I'm recommending to guys like yourself is, dude, just take a chill pill for just 3 to 6 months. Just take a small step back and go into singular focus into your dating life, and dedicate just a few months to learning the right social skills, learning how to become more confident, learning attractive behaviors, learning the right frameworks to go out there and meet a variety of different women that you can then just naturally screen out and figure out if they're going to be a good fit for your life for the long term. And then once you find a dope chick that you feel like you connect with, and then you bring her into your life, then and only then should you then have singular focus for your career, business, or entrepreneurship. And that's what me and Ben are here for the guys that want to speed up the process. You no longer want to have to waste time worrying about being lonely, worrying about having a sexless life, worrying about having a lack of intimacy. You just want to get this whole dating thing over and done with. Bring someone into your life as fast as humanly possible so you can focus on the things that matter to you right now, which again is your career, business, entrepreneurship. That's what we're all about. And we have the solution for that, guys. So if you want to look into our live 5-day immersion program, which is our in-person dating workshop, or you want to do a 6-month online mentorship, or you want to get access to our video course, all you're going to do is click on the link in the description to book a free consultation call with either myself, Ben, or someone from our team. Or at minimum, if you're not ready to financially invest in yourself in terms of coaching, then guys, still consume our content. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe so you keep seeing our videos pop up every single week to give you as much value as possible so you can go out there and improve your dating situation. So when you are finally ready to go and focus on money and entrepreneurship and your career, you're gonna have that girl in your life, you're gonna have the girl of your dreams, you're gonna have the success that you're looking for on the relationship level, so then you can focus on everything else that matters to you. All right, boys, see you in the next video.